What a volatility we got for those stocks that jumped 50 and 40%. And today we're going to discuss where the next squeeze for them. Some of you say, okay, Jesus already jumped and we missed the train on those stocks. Ask yourself this question. The last stock that we talked about is NERV. If you say, okay, it jumped 100%, there's no opportunity. There's always opportunity if we spot the support and where the market maker will buy. This is the name of the game. We buy around the support, we sell around the resistance. Simple as possible. However, is it tricky if you don't have a strategy? So let's get right to it and discuss those stocks for today. First off, we have AVCT. Look what's going on. We talked about it in our squeeze watch list for Wednesday when we said this stock will have a big volatility. If we held the 0.34, we're gonna get the profit taken until the 0.49, and we discussed the profit taken almost 37% for this stock. If we go back, we see that reaction, the price went up in the pre-market, went down, test our support, and the market maker load up here above the 0.34. We entered here, and then boom, the price hit our target of profit taking, and guess what happened? Of course, the short seller came in and the price went down. However, we have a new support. If we held it before even the market close, we're gonna see another volatility for this stock for tomorrow to test the other profit taking, which is around the 0.69, almost 40% profit taking if we broke the 0.48 resistance. However, now this is support we already tested, and we got a nice reaction from the market maker, big green candle and holding. So what's the game plan? We need to hold this support around the 0.4257 in order to accumulate. Then the next time we're gonna have explosion without even a test. This is just a test, okay? If we got this reaction and we hold above the 0.48, we're gonna get this profit taken around the 0.69. However, if we broke this support, it's not a sell-off if we're still holding above this technical area here. Just watch out for this technical area in this box, the 0.34, the 0.30. If we went here and we're still consolidating, it means the price will load up here for another initiation for price action toward the 0.69. Will take time, of course. However, the best case scenario, as we said, this will be pretty soon squeeze, even before Friday, if we just held this level. And I guess we're gonna break it before today. You see, just talking about it, and the short seller just heard me, and they're gonna short this stock over this support. We're gonna watch out the squeeze later on. The other stock that we're gonna talk about is WEBR. We got a question from our hunter on Patreon and asked where the support on the bottom for this stock. We did for a pre-market update, for alert, for request stock. We do it daily on our Patreon, and that's what we suggest the bottom will be, which is around this technical area. See with me, we said the price will gravitate down, and here there's $6.95 will be the bottom. Then we're gonna see a reversal. If we go back, that's what happened. The market opened, gravitating down, and we got a reversal perfectly around our the $6.95, and the price went up. Now the price went down and accumulating. So this is our bottom. We want to confirm accumulation until tomorrow or even Friday before we have a genuine buying pressure. When we're gonna see this reaction, the price will go higher at least until the $7.80. So we could make a good profit here if we held this support. Again, we need to hold this support, otherwise we're gonna see another sell-off. If we held here, it means this is the price value for WEBR. If we go to GSAT, it's still bumping even though the market is red today. As we said before, if we go in big picture, we talked about in our live streaming before, because we got a question regarding GSAT and where the price will go. We said if we held this ascending line, is mean we are still in bullish momentum. That's what happened when we broke the $1.53 and the price continued to go higher. Now we have test for this box below the $2. If we held above the $2 for GSAT, we're gonna get this price action. The squeeze area for this year, the $2.88. Tesla have broke this support around the 279. We close today below this support. If we continue to close here, just wait for it. The price will continue to go down, and first around the 250, around here it will be around this gap, the 250, then the 236. You see it clearly now is we are below the EMA here, so this is kind of bearish to me. And many analysts and people on Discord or even on YouTube say, okay, you have to load up on Tesla before the split, and because the price will go all-time high. However, I said it here on our YouTube, we can't buy until we have a verification for squeeze, which is the 313 and before the 947, I believe. That's why I didn't buy and even waited for the price to break here, but we didn't. And we have another price went down for this area. So if you want to load up on Tesla and even AMC, you can on Momo, because here there is a summer exclusive. You can get up to 10 free stocks on Momo. Now there's AZO, AMC, Apple, Palantir, GARB, and Tesla. Of course, those stocks you can win here when you sign up with Momo, and you have until the 15th of September to get those free stocks. However, how you can get those free stocks is pretty easy. You open your account with Momo. Second, you deposit $100 in order to get stock value between $8 up to $2,000. So what you're waiting for? Get your free stocks in the comment section below, or the notification will pop up here, will take you directly to open an account with Momo. Let me just go back and discuss the other stock that been squeezing today. First, let me go to BBBY. Again, BBBY went heavily, 21% around our bottom, as we suggest, around the $8.24. We bought back around the $8.75. If we go in a smaller picture, we have a resistance has been tested so many times around this area, the $9.69. And again, now the resistance is around the $10.88. A big gap, if you want to ask me, a big gap to fill. Before the filling this gap, this resistance will be tested the most, because this is where the EMA will coil down on us, and this will be a turning point. If we got rejected, this means the next support will be the $8.24. So be careful. Don't just rush and buy. We need to confirmation. Like last time we did the chart analysis and even update on our Patreon and YouTube, what we suggest to buy when we get clear out or breakout from this triangle here. Perfect entry, and the price went around 30%, the 1470, and coiled down and even gap down. That's why I don't suggest to hold the stock after hours or after the market close, because everything goes. And again, now the $10.88 is the resistance, the support $8.24. Hopefully we don't have another gap down, because the best bottom, if you want to buy BBBY, if we don't hold the $8.24, is the $6.50. Wait for it. Million. Let me just go on the most volume for today is Snap, then BBBY, and this stock as well, because the Snap is around the 180 million for today. You know why? Because we jumped today almost 8%. However, we got rejected around this resistance, the $11.36. As we said, for Snap, if we want to enter a bullish run, is clearing the 27, but it's still not like a clear trade for me. Now it's still heavy shorted. We always do update for price action, like in chart analysis, because on YouTube we can do a chart analysis. That's why we have another platform for that, like TradingView community, Discord, Patreon, what have you. There's many things. Everything in the comment section below if you want to join and take your trade to the next level. Hopefully that was informative. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below, and see you in the next update.